Welcome all. So next practical is parallel connection of two two-port network. So this is nothing but the parallel connection because the voltage V1 is given to network A as well as to the network B with respect to negative terminal. Similarly, voltage V2 is given to network B as well as to the network A as well as to the network B. So these are connected in parallel. And we know that for parallel networks, the Y parameters are added. For parallel network, Y parameters are added. So we have to calculate Y network, Y parameter for this network, we have to calculate Y parameter for this network, and at the end we have to add these parameters so that we will get overall Y parameters. So just let's look at the example. So here the networks are connected in parallel. The pi combinations are connected in parallel because this V1 is given to this, let us say node is 1 as well as V1 is given to this node. So I will mark this node, I will name this node as 1. I will name this node as 1. So V1 is given to both the networks and negative terminal is also common. So this is, let us say, node 2. This is also node 2 because they are connected. Okay. At the output side, this V2 positive terminal is given to, let us say, this is node number 3 as well as to this node number 3. So see here, these are also connected. So if this clarity will help you while doing the connections. Okay. So now next is this is node number 2 only. This is node number 2 only. Negative terminal is common throughout the network. So this is node number 2 only. It is common. Okay. So first of all, we have determine the mho values of this 2 ohm, 3 ohm, 4 ohm, and we know that y11 is 0.5 plus this ya plus yb, ya plus yc. So its value is 0.83, and your y22 is this addition of these two. So 0.33 plus 0.25, that is 0.58. Similarly for network B also, one more. So y11 is 1 plus 1, 2 more, and y22 is 1 plus 1, 2 more. So overall, we need to add the y parameters. So 0.83 plus 2, I will get 2.83. So overall y11 is I1 by V1 and its value is 2.83. 2.83 more. And what is the condition? Condition is that V2 equal to 0. So we have to make V2 equal to 0. Then your Y22 is I2 by V2, I2 by V2, I2 by V2, and condition is that V1 equal to 0. So use this condition while doing simulations. So I will just go for the simulation now. So total I require 6 resistances. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Then I have to connect them in parallel in pi type of network. So take here, rotate this resistance. So this becomes one pi network. Just connect. Then take another pi network. Click here, rotate. Now adjust the values. So this is 2 ohm. So now it is in yellow color. Click on adjust. Make it 2 ohm. This is 3 ohm. So adjust. This is 4 ohm. So rotate it anti-clockwise direction. Now this is 4 ohm. This is 1 ohm. This is also 1 ohm. This is also 1 ohm. Rotate. Okay. Now here also you make the corrections. Here also you make the connections. So these negative terminals are common. So just click here, it gets connected. And positive terminals are also common on input side, V1 side. So it's connected, and positive terminals are common for output side also. So this and this we have to connect. So it also gets connected. So now connect V1 voltage, give it to the X, automatically it will get connected to the no, give it to the node 1, automatically it will get connected to the node 3. Automatically it gets connected, uh, uh, automatically it gets connected to this node 1. Okay, so click at this node and click here, so it gets connected. Then negative terminal, give it here. In this ground also I have to connect. Okay. Now condition is for finding out y11 v2 equal to 0, v2 equal to 0. So v2 equal to 0 means short circuit. So v2 equal to 0 means short circuit. So I will just connect here, click here, and I click here, so it gets shorted. You can see here. So v2 is now shorted. Now run the simulation. What is the expected answer? 2.83 mho. So you can keep 1 volt or you can keep 10 volt. That will also work. So click here, adjust it to the 10 volt, 5 volt, any value, doesn't matter. The ratio will be I1 by V1 will be 2.83. So run the simulation. Just wait for a second. Okay, so it is nothing but 28.3 divided by 10. I1 is 28.3 divided by 10, its value is 2.83. So we got the first answer. Now for second case, you can see here first answer is 2.83. Now for second case, our answer should be 2.58. For second case, we have to make V1 as 0 and we have to take the ratio I2 by V2. So we do the corrections accordingly. So click here, delete. Okay, now I have to make V1 as 0. So I have connected to the node 1 and node 2. So these are shorted. So you can see here how these are shorted. This is the ground. 1 and 2 are shorted here. Here also 1 and 2 are shorted. How you can see? So I will just undo. Okay. And this first short of V2 I will remove. Now once again make the corrections. Earlier I have made V2 shorted, so that I have to remove first. Otherwise complete circuit gets shorted. Okay. And this is connected to node 3. Okay. So this is the parallel connection. So now I want to make V1 as short. So it gets V1 as shorted. And at the V2 side I have to connect voltage V2. So again let us say value is 10 volt. You can take any value, you will get the same ratio. Then click here to the positive terminal, it gets connected. Its positive terminal is common and negative terminal. Okay. So now what answer I am expecting? I am expecting 2.58 mho. So run the simulation now. Run the simulation. Wait for some time. Okay, so I2 current is 25. So that is nothing but 2.58. That is approximately 2.58. Okay. Thank you. So 2.5, 25 divided by 10, that is nothing but 2.5 mho. So practical value is 2.5 mho. Okay. Thank you.